Hello, welcome to NSY's blog. I'm Dr. Sahil and this video is about how blood clots form. Blood is the only transportation facility of nutrition and oxygen in body, which makes it a necessary physiological task to keep it within blood vessels. It has property to clot and prevent further loss by an intricate interaction of multiple proteins called clotting factors, which are produced by liver and platelets and derived from bones and diet. These proteins circulate in blood and get into action when any blood vessel is injured. The clotting factors are given Roman numerals 1 through 13 and their activated forms are denoted by the numeral with subscript A. When a blood vessel is damaged, a few platelets adhere to the injured area. Factor 3 or tissue factor is released from this damaged vessel and in presence of calcium ions, which is factor 4, from platelets binds with activated recombinant factor 7A, activating the Stewart power factor, which is 10A, which marks the initiation of common coagulation pathway. Till this point, the clotting factor interaction is called extrinsic pathway, which initiates production of factor 10. Next step in blood clotting cascade is intrinsic pathway, which amplifies concentration of factor 10A. Intrinsic pathway begins with activation of Hageman factor 12A after vascular damage, which activates plasma thromboplastin antecedent 11A, which activates Christmas factor 9A. Activated Christmas factor is an enzyme for amplification of factor 10A concentration in blood. Common clotting pathway begins when factor 10A binds with proaxilurine, which is factor 5, and calcium ions, factor 4. This binding is called prothrombinase complex. This complex converts prothrombin, which is factor 2, into its active form thrombin, and thrombin converts fibrinogen factor 1 into active form fibrin. Fibrin activates fibrin stabilizing factor 13A, which forms cross bridges in fibrin filament and stabilizes the fibrin mesh. Fibrin is sticky in nature, because of which platelets glue together over damaged part of vessel and form a net to trap other platelets and RBCs. And this is how a blood clot is formed.